Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Tria AINI, NPM 22411037, Management Class 22A. In this video, I will to tell you about creating and managing organizational culture. Organizational culture is the shared value, belief, and behavior that define a company. It shapes how employees interact with each other, customer, and the world. The first slide is about the importance of organizational culture. Employees' engagement. A strong culture fosters a sense of belonging and purpose, leading to increased employee engagement and motivation. 2. Performance and productivity. Culture can drive performance by aligning individual goals with organizational objectives, fostering teamwork and encouraging innovation. And the next point about attracting and retaining talents. A positive and inclusive culture attracts talent and help retain employees, reducing turnover costs and fostering a stable workforce. And the next slide is about key elements of organizational culture. The first is value. Core principles that guide decision making and behavior shaping the ethical foundation of the organization. 2. Belief. Share assumption about how the world works, influence how employees approach challenges and opportunities. 3. Behavior. Observable action and pattern of interaction that demonstrate the organization value and belief in practice. And 4. Norms. Unwritten rules that define acceptable behavior, setting expectations for communication, collaboration, and performance. And the next slide is about strategy for shaping culture. The first, leadership modeling. Leaders are role models who embody and communicate desired cultural values, influencing the behavior of others. 2. Recruitment and onboarding. Hiring individuals who align with the desired culture and providing a smooth onboarding experience help to reinforce value. 3. Communication and feedback. Regular communication, both formal and informal, fosters transparency, reinforce cultural value, and provide opportunity for feedback. 4. Performance management. Performance reviews should align with cultural value and provide feedback on how individuals contribute to a positive work environment. And the last point, reward and recognition. Recognition and rewarding behavior that align with cultural value reinforce desired action and encourage positive behavior. And then the last slide is about overcoming challenges in culture management. The first is resistance to change. Overcoming resistance to change requires effective communication, transparency, and engaging employees in the process. 2. Inconsistent in application. Maintaining consistent in applying cultural value across all levels and departments is critical for fostering a cohesive culture. And the last point, lack of accountability. Establishing Clear expectation and holding individual accountable for the action ensure that value are not just word but action. And the last slide is about measuring and maintaining a health culture. The first is employer survey, and two focus group, and the last performance metric. Okay, I think is all I can say. I will end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.